we are making arroz con pollo here. So I started browning the chicken here. As you can see, I have 4 pieces of chicken here for 4 people. It has to brown 5-6 minutes. And this is chicken thigh. I love chicken thigh.
Me
And with that,
too.
we're going to put some chorizo. See, for Christmas in France, we have oyster, we have foie gras, we have goose, all of that. But then my wife, being from Cuban and Puerto Rican from New York, we started doing other things. So
Yes.
arroz con pollo was one of
So
our
it has
favorite things.
special meaning, of course. Yes.
Yes, for Christmas we did that along with bacalao, the salted
Mm-hmm.
codfish. So that's a big thing that she had too, that she loves too. So here you have to brown your chicken, a few minutes too, and I have some chorizo, and a cup of onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. I'm going to put there to add always
Mm-hmm.
garlic. There's never enough garlic anywhere, so that goes with it, and
Beautiful.
that should brown a couple of minutes with this. I have herbe de Provence or Italian seasoning. It's about the same. I have
Yes.
some cilantro here. This is frozen.
Huh.
When I do cilantro, I froze the stem like that,
Huh.
and I keep them like this. Salt, pepper. I have some tomato, some hot sauce, the rice, some capers, and finally you can put some of the pistil of the saffron here.
And this book
But
is
you,
so special because it's it's art in several ways. You can appreciate Jacques' art and recipes at the same time. That's what I love about this particular project. But I love the dish that he's making because he he's not going by rules or one thing or another. He's creating something, as we all should, that's special to every member of the family and their lineage. This is what, to me, this time of the year is about.
yes, me too, me too. So this brown a couple of minutes, and then now I put some of the Italian seasoning on top. That's good. I can put basically everything else on top. I have half a cup of tomato here. I have some sriracha, some hot sauce, a good,
Yes. Woo!
a good
Bring
spoon
it.
or so, and then I'm going to put like a teaspoon of salt in there for the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, I have capers, about 3 tablespoons of capers, and a cup of rice, and I use my frozen cilantro here. Okay, of course, if you don't like cilantro, you don't put any. It's all right. It's
I
fine.
say this same thing all the time. If you don't like cilantro, put parsley. If you don't like
Yeah,
parsley or cilantro, don't put it at all. Who cares? No one can see.
exactly. So I have the rice in there. Now I'm putting the saffron, a little piece of saffron.
Yes.
Again, it's expensive. If you cannot do it, you do it without. And finally, I have 2 cups of water here. And you know what you can do? You can put everything in there except the water and the rice. And you can do that 3-4 hours ahead. And half an
Oh,
hour
what?
before you're ready,
Great.
half an hour before you're ready to eat, you put the rice, the water, bring it to
And
a
then you're
boil.
good.
30 minutes, it's done. So I have one which is ready here. As you can see, 30 minutes. Looks
So
beautiful.
gorgeous.
And what I did, in addition to that I didn't tell you, I took the skin of the,
Oh,
the
nice.
chicken there, and I
Oh,
put them in
yes.
the oven. This is like bacon,
It's
and
fantastic.
we're gonna crumble
Oh,
it
it's
on top.
fantastic. It's like chicken potato chips. It's
Yes.
fantastic.
So
Woo! Jacques,
so here we
what are your plans for this holiday? Are you traveling? Where are you going to be? What are you guys doing?
I'm gonna be on a cruise with Claudine, with my
Oh,
daughter.
how wonderful.
So here it is. And
And put the crispy skin on. Oh,
you
you
crumble that
show
on top,
off.
and a little bit of extra cilantro if you want.